Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by logging into Merchant Center as the account owner. This is essential because only owners can remove accounts. Once signed in, immediately export your product feed and critical reports so you have a backup of listings, pricing, and inventory. Next, pause or remove any active promotions and stop shopping campaigns in the connected Google Ads account to prevent errors or billing after closure. Make sure billing is settled and any refunds or open orders are resolved before moving to account settings. Now delete or unpublish every product feed and individual listing so nothing remains active. This prevents reindexing or accidental purchases later. Once the catalog is clear, go to Account Links and unlink Google Ads, Manufacturer Center, and any third-party integrations. This severs billing and data flows. Then review tax, shipping, and payment settings and remove saved payment methods. These steps minimize residual charges and make the account safe to close, because linked services or billing info can block or delay deletion. Finally, navigate to Settings, choose Account Settings, and select Close Account. Follow the prompts and explicitly confirm you want to delete the Merchant Center. You'll receive a confirmation email. Keep it and note any data retention period, which can be up to a few weeks. After closure, verify that related services like Analytics or YouTube no longer list the merchant ID and remove any remaining links. If something goes wrong, the key troubleshooting tip: check owner permissions and billing holds first, as those are the most common blockers to deletion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.